Alright guys, so we four here are from the Video Game Development Club of UCI, so naturally we decided to do a game based on, that's something that we wanted to do for Hackathon. And here we have, this anime is actually called the Tatami Galaxy, and this is an ending sequence that we really wanted to try and figure out a game that we can work with. So here we have a lot of cool, weird, interesting rooms that just kind of expand and grow out into this crazy mass of different rooms and stuff, and we wanted to create some kind of game that could fit inside there that we can play in, and have that same kind of art style, of course, and also have that same, of course, a bunch of random rooms that you can just run around and play in. So, you want to play the game? So now it's a local co-op game, as you can see. You have two characters that are also based on two characters from the show itself, and every single room you go into is randomly generated. And you can hit the space bar to make a new level, and it'll just make you a completely new game. And every single room right here has a different tile. Some of them have these dangerous things that you can kill yourself with. So if one of you guys want to just accidentally launch into that spinning blade, this guy can help you up though if you're close enough and help respawn you. And that down there on the bottom is where you want to go. Every single level is going to be this endpoint that you want to reach. Dude, save it! What are you doing? Okay. Watch out for those pellets, because you can die to those too. So now you have to try and go through all these dead ends and eventually get to one of these and get to the end. Right. And after every single time you get that star, you launch into another level, and it's right back into it. So. Changes the background, changes the levels, changes the tiles for each room, and it's a whole new experience. So, yeah, a very fun and interesting little game we have. So
we made it a little bit smaller for the demo, but you can make it up to hundreds of rooms that are randomly generated before you start the level. Which, as you can see, this is I think 50 or so. So it gets a lot harder, and it's all because we just randomly generate levels every time you restart. So
yeah, definitely the random generation was our proudest thing that we've finished, and the most difficult, of course, because you have to make sure your rooms don't overlap. You have to make sure that your doors go into the right levels or right rooms, of course, and you got to make sure that traps don't just pop up at a door so you instantly die, and a bunch of things that keep in mind, and of course making sure that it all fits together properly. And yeah, a lot of dead ends, and you can see a little bit of a flicker on top because it shows where you want to be going right now. So these guys are just gonna hop up there, or try to, and get stuck. So they have to do a lot of backtracking, saving each other a couple times, of course, and try and make it to that star up there, if they can ever get there. Which they should. It's confirmed. It's in the code. It works. You should always be able to get there, and they should be there. Yay! Yeah.